Hello everyone. This project was developed by Faya Abid, Umar, and myself, Abdul Aziz, under the supervision of Madam Rosanna. For our project, we developed the Examination Timetable System, or ETS. ETS is a web-based application developed using the Django framework to assist educational institutions in managing examination schedules more efficiently. The system automates the scheduling process, prevents examination clash, and ensures that venue capacity is properly managed. ETS supports two main user roles, Unit Peperiksaan dan Persijilan (UPP) and lecturers, to improve scheduling accuracy, reduce manual workload, and ensure a smooth and well-organized examination process.
At College Professional Mara Branang, examination timetabling is still largely handled through manual processes. This approach is not only time-consuming, but also highly prone to human error. Issues such as exam clashes, venue overcapacity, and unbalanced invigilation duties frequently occur. On top of that, managing last-minute changes and lecturer exception requests becomes complicated and inefficient. As a result, a critical academic process that directly affects students, lecturers, and administrators is handled in a way that increases workload and confusion and risk. This clearly highlights the need for a more structured, reliable, and centralized system. The main objectives of this project is to develop a centralized, web-based examination timetable system for college professional Mara Branagh. The system aims to reduce human error by implementing validation features such as exam class detection and venue capacity control. It also provides students with easy access to the examination schedules, allows lecturers to clearly view their invigilation duties and submit exception requests, and gives full administrative control to the unit Centralized Peperiksaan. Overall, the goal is to improve efficiency, accuracy, and transparency in managing the entire examination process.
These projects follow the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC. First, in the planning and analysis phase, we studied the current manual exam scheduling process and identify problems such as exam clashes and venue overcapacity. Next, in the system design phase, we designed the system by choosing Django as the backend framework and SQLite as the database to store exam, user, and venue data. During development, the system was built using Visual Pseudocode, with Django for backend development and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the user interface. In the implementation phase, we added validation logic to automatically detect scheduling conflicts. Finally, the system was tested to ensure all features work correctly and reliably. In terms of market potential, this system is designed to scale far beyond a single college. Although it was developed for KPM Baranang, its architecture allowed expansion to all college professional Mara institutions. Using the Django's role-based access, Mara headquarters could centralize exam and invigilation data through a single dashboard. With cloud-based deployment, all campuses would be synchronized in real time. This not only improves efficiency but also standardizes examination management across the Mara network, making it a strong asset for Mara's digital transformation.
The public timetable view allows students and staff to check exam schedules without logging in. Notice the clean layout showing exam times and dates, venue information, subject codes and names, and session times. Now let me show you the administrative interface. I'm logging in as Samantha, who is part of the UPP, the UPP team responsible for exam coordination. Let's create a new exam session. The system makes this incredibly simple. Notice how the day is automatically calculated from the date I select. This eliminates human error. I can choose morning or afternoon session, pick from our list of subject and venues. And with one click, the exam session is scheduled. The system immediately validates that there are no conflicts. We can manage all our examination venues here. Each venue has a unique code for easy reference, full name, capacity information, quick edit and delete option. Subject management is equally straightforward. We track subject codes, full subject names, semester information, department, number of enrollment students. Here's our lecturer database with contact information. When we need to communicate schedule changes, all the information is right here. Now, this is a feature that really sets our system apart. Exception request management. Lecturers can request to be excused from invigilator duties for specific dates. Finally, let me show you our comprehensive reporting feature. This generates a complete overview of the entire examination schedule. The report includes complete schedule organized by dates, all venue assignments, invigilators assignment for each sessions, subject details and student counts, and lastly, summary statistic at the bottom. Now, let's see the system from a lecturer's perspective. I'm logging in as Dr. Ahmed Hassan, one of our faculty members. The lecturer dashboard is focused and user-friendly. Dr. Hassan can immediately see his upcoming invigilator duties with dates, times, and venues, complete details for each assignment, option to request exception if needed. The lecturer selects the date they are unavailable and provides a brief reason. This creates transparency and maintains proper documentation.
In conclusion, the examination timetable system was successfully developed and evaluated based on real user requirements. The system effectively replaced the manual examination scheduling process with a structured, reliable, and user-friendly solution. It improves scheduling accuracy, reduces administrative workload, and enhances communication between students, lecturers, and the unit penyelenggara peperiksaan. More importantly, the system demonstrates how proper system design and implementation can produce a practical solution with real impact, while also providing a strong foundation for future improvement and expansion.